Lights go out on the Campbell, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Centralia Pace cars. He heads off the track and into the pits, turning it into the hands of Devin Matthews. Green flag flies, and we are underway. Craig Vander right on the rear bumper of Matthews. Kevin on the bottom. Kyle Matthews right on the outside. Vander just kind of stuck there right now. He's right on the rear bumper of Devin Matthews. Moving up a little bit closer to 24. That's Dwayne DeYoung. As the field right now mostly side by side still as they come across the line, complete lap number 2. 3 minutes on. 66 and Kevin Payne dropping immediately to the back. Bill Hayes making some noise on the outside. Kevin Conway still out there as well. Jeff Bricali running forward. All Bricali can do is look straight ahead because running side by side. They come up on the slower number 8 of McMillan. It's going to be 3 wide if they want to get by McMillan. McMillan just hugging the wall as the field goes by right below him. Pretty hard to miss Josh McMillan, that fluorescent orange safety car. A little bit of contact here between Vander and Devin Matthews. And here comes Bricali, 3 wide into turn number 3. Bricali on the bottom, Vander on the outside. Bricali with a power move. Power move for Bricali to get around Matthews. Down on the bottom, and a good job up high by Craig Vander. John Morris going by Devin Matthews now. Here comes the defending champion, Scott Maynard. Maynard side by side, 2010 champion on the bottom, 2011 champion on the top. The battle for 6. Looking to the outside of Kyle Matthews. Kyle Matthews looking underneath Jeff Bricali. Bricali closes with Noah Matthews. A little bit of contact. Matthews backs out of it, lets Bricali gather himself back up. Bricali got loosened up. The Morse pulled right up alongside of him, but if they look in their mirror, they're going to see the 20. Coming on, bigger and bigger in the mirror is Scott Maynard. The defending champion looking to make a statement right off the bat here in 2012. Now Maynard goes to the inside. Morse is stuck on the outside. And now the door opens as Bricali got loose, coming out in 2. Kyle Matthews by Bricali. Scott Maynard up alongside. Now John Morris is going to drop down low and go by Bricali. Bricali from the lead all the way back to 4th. Once he opened up that bottom groove, he just got freight trained by Matthews, Maynard, and Morse. And now we got Bill Hayes down in the grass right off of turn number 2. Officials keeping an eye on the 17 of Bill Hayes to see if he's going to be able to move out of the way. He is under power and moving. And we're going to stay green. Maynard goes sideways. Maynard trying to gather enough fishtailing his way down the front stretch. What a job by the cars to stay off of Maynard. Rich Goodings backed up. Maynard was able to collect himself, but in the meantime, he lost the lead. And now Josh McMillan has come to a stop. That's going to bring out the yellow flag. So Kyle Matthews is going to be your leader. John Morris will be running second. Forward and save Maynard the penalty that he will deserve if he doesn't give up that front row. As they come out of turn number 4, green flag flies and it moves. Matthews, Maynard on the outside. John Morris right now sitting 3rd, and we have another stall on the front stretch. caution, caution, caution comes out, trying to get the field to back themselves down as the 32 gets himself fired back up. Going to give himself a little bit of an advantage, but right now for this restart, Maynard has fallen all the way back to the second row. He's used to leading, so that's what, but now you know, the green flag flies, and we are back underway. Kyle Matthews, Maynard working onto the outside, John Morse working all over Matthews' rear bumper out of turn number 2, the field side by side. As they come out of 4, Matthews, Maynard, we're going to go 3 wide across the start-finish line. John Morse gets up alongside of Matthews. While Matthews was worried about Morse on the bottom, Maynard shoots by on the outside, now to the lead. Scott Maynard, John Morse, Kyle Matthews. Now the new top 3, Jeff Bricali's riding in 4th, Craig Vander, and John Bagley up to 5th. Kevin Conway and Freeman Pruitt right behind Bagley. John Bagley right now going to work, trying to catch up to Craig Vander so he can battle to get into the top 5. Maynard and Morse now separating themselves from the field. Quite a bit of side-by-side contact going on in the back. Craig Vander going around Jeff Bricali. John Bagley now is moving up alongside of Bricali. Bagley just falls right back in line. John Moore's getting a little bit sideways. He's working hard just to stay with Scott Maynard, but he has tied himself right to the rear bumper of the 20 Maynard. Freeman, Pruitt, McMillan. A little bit of contact there between those two, but they stay clean and on the track. As Tina McMillan moves up another spot, John Bagley once again taking a look at Bricali. And right on that rear bumper is Morse. Scott Maynard, contact as John Morse got in the rear bumper of Maynard. Maynard loose off of 2. Now John Morse moving up. Scott Maynard's just going to slide right down and close the door on 3. Now, these two have checked out from the field, 21 of 30 laps complete. And contact as they are all by themselves. Tina McMillan. That line of cars coming out of 4 right now. Jeff Bricali, John Bagley, and Tina McMillan, Freeman Pruitt, Kevin Conway, Zach Dalrymple. That is race 4 position. Those guys running nose to tail. And if you don't think those positions matter, then you haven't been out here for the last couple of years watching the mini stocks. I can promise you one thing, this division will come down to the last race of the year. Tina McMillan right now pulling up alongside of John Bagley. As they come off of 4, McMillan with the advantage on the inside. John Bagley fighting back on the outside. Bagley slides up a little bit high, loses some momentum. As those two are going side by side, Jeff Bricali riding right in front of him, just watching it all happen and play out. And out of 4 comes your leader, Scott Maynard, with John Morse in tow. And now Bagley with half a car length off of McMillan as they come out of 4 one more time. They're going to remain pretty much the same way they have been for the past 3 laps. That is the battle for 6th. And now Morse comes up onto the slower traffic, has to give him a tap. Rich Gooding, John Morse into the back of Rich Gooding saying, you got to go, buddy. Go somewhere, but get out of my way. He doesn't want it there as he's trying to keep pace with Scott Maynard. And now here comes Bagley making the move on the outside of Vander. John Bagley trying to take the 5th spot away from Vander as the white flag flies. And as the white flag flies, once again, Bagley is being heard from as he's trying to find his way into the top 5. But here they come off of 4. Scott Maynard, John Morse, giving it all he's got. He's not going to get to it. Scott Maynard, your winner, followed by John Morse. Then it's Kyle Matthews, Craig Vander, John Bagley, and rounding out the top 5. So we'll go down now and get a word.